So this is the spider plant what we have right now. 93 type of spider plants in this world, but right now we have only 2 types of spider plant that I'm going to show you right now. What I have is here is having lot of new babies, but if you can see closely, because there is no roots, but only this one is having one root, so this can be really easily propagate. The black leaves is a real sunburn, so you should see this and learn this. So never keep your spider plant in direct sunlight, so it will be like that. Another type of spider plant what we have is here, as you can see, is grown quite a big. It really lives in water, it really loves water. This has grown very massively, and this is really well known as best air purifier plant of NASA's list. So in this video I'm going to show you these 2 types of spider plant, that how we can grow in home and propagate. So this one is having a lot of roots. If you see that it's having only root, it's kind of like a valve. If I bring one here, just this sort of bulb is growing a lot, and it really loves water. From water you can really grow. This is just only one pot that I'm showing you right now. It's having a lot of spider plant. It's really cute. Oh my god, here is one flower. Wow. Luckily I'm able to show you one flower here. Usually it's not growing a lot, but this is not a good time for the flowering, but it's coming. Yeah. Right now we have make ready the soil. So it's just regular soil with a tiny amount of coco peat, which will be absorbing water, and it will keep water inside. And there are some the charcoal, well decomposed soil. So we'll just plant inside. So much guys for watching these videos. So please comment below what type of videos you want to see from me, so that I can make it. And please support me by subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you, and see you next